Morning.
Hi, good morning. Just one question.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Ram.
Question is like, is this training will covering the both certification 104 and 400?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, and means will you guys helping in complete clearing the certification or you will
Yeah,
be looking?
I will share the dumps. Okay. Latest dump itself. If you practice it and 70% questions we may get it from those dumps itself.
Okay, okay.
Or
And
else,
one more question: is there generally, as I know, there is an option to get the only live session without videos. Do we have that option for this training?
yeah, can you please check with them? I'm not sure about it, how they are marketing and all.
Okay.
Just check with them. They have entire information.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you.
yeah,
I have a question.
yeah. Hi.
There are two or three courses. One is just like this Azure Developer and 204, and there is I see one other course is Azure Data Factory and Data Engineer. So, what is the difference between in these three courses?
Where do you see that course? Data engineer, data factory.
I have seen on some other institute. They are covering some other course. So I just want to know because that
Okay.
course now was Azure.
You've seen that outside, right?
Yes.
Yeah, actually, there is another course, a DP203.
Yes.
Okay, DP20 in the three is here they will discuss about Azure Data Factory. Okay, second one is Azure Data Bricks. Okay, third one is Azure Data Lake. Okay, fourth one is Azure SQL Synapse. These three topics you might have seen that four. So these four topics comes under what is that DP 203. Okay, this paper we will call it as data engineer. Okay, so whoever is part of reporting tools, right? Data stage, Cognos, MSBI, and all, they will go for this paper. Actually, whatever the data is storing there, no, they will modelize the data, and that will show you a kind of reporting tools.
In Data
Uh,
Engineer.
yes, data engineer.
So what about Data Factory? It's a different course.
And these four topics are different.
It's
Course.
just like warehouse.
Yeah, data warehouse.
Okay. So which course is demanding? Data Engineer, Data Factory, or the developer?
For Azure, we have every demand. Everything is demand, guys. Main demand is I can say Azure administration with the DevOps.
Okay.
That is the
Because,
main. Okay.
because there is the basic courses.
Yeah, Azure DevOps with administration with the DevOps. That not a basic course. Okay, that is mandatory course. Okay, later whoever is having, if you would like to go for reporting side, you people will go for that one. Next, other thing is AZ203. 203 is the developer. Okay, same way we have data science, cyber security, artificial intelligence, machine learning, many courses are there. So based on your requirement, we have to go online and get the job. That's it.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. In the Azure cloud, present market, I can say every course has demand. But compared to them, high demand in the market is administration with DevOps. Okay, there is a resource shortage for that. If you go
Okay.
for cyber security, newly it's cyber security is there. For that course, no resource are there in the market, especially
Okay.
Azure. Azure cyber security, there is a one course. In present market, there is no resources. Okay, uh, that's all demand. Okay, now we have very high demand in the market is Azure administration with DevOps. In future we cannot say, maybe data engineer will come, or data science, or artificial intelligence, maybe it will come, internet of things, that all we cannot predict it. Markets drastically changing, not sure what happened. Okay,
Okay. Thank you.
yeah. So earlier, no, if you learn .NET, you can survive for 10 years around. If you learn Java, 10 years. If you learn SQL Server, 10 years. If you learn some administration, 10 years. Now things got changed. If you learn one course, that will be their maximum 2 years. That is, I am telling maximum, not minimum. Got it? So in between that, some new tools are coming to the market, that gets demand. Old tools are getting duplicated. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. See, before going for Microsoft Azure, so what I said, what is the Microsoft Azure? First of all, Azure is a
Public cloud.
comprehensive set of services, where we can build, what is that? Build, deploy, and manage the applications through global network data centers. Global network data centers is called Microsoft Azure. Okay, guys. When Microsoft Azure came into the picture in the year of 2010, 2010 Feb. That time we will call it as what? Windows Azure. Later in the year of 2014, they introduced, what is that? ARM model in the month of April. Then they renamed Windows Azure as a what?
Azure, Microsoft Azure.
Microsoft Azure. Okay. Why Microsoft Azure? Low cost. Next, instant capacity. Instant capacity. Distribute the data into the globe in a minutes. Clear? And the complaints 90 plus. What is that?
Region, zones.
Complaints. Yeah. So around 60 plus zones. Okay, 140 countries, Microsoft has their own data centers. Okay, yeah, this is power of Microsoft Azure, and it is providing 200 plus products. 200 plus products. Clear? Like .NET, Java, Python, Windows Server, Linux Server, okay, Databricks, Data Factory, Data Lake, Storage Account Networking, okay, Disaster Recovery, DNS, like that. 200 plus products Microsoft integrated with, what is that? Microsoft Azure Cloud Computing. Okay, yeah, as I said, I'm going to discuss about what are the topics I'm going to cover AZ 104. Now, have a look, just go to Microsoft.com directly. To know any certification, just go there. Okay, /learning. Okay, in the learning, see, these are the certification papers. We have developer, administrator, architect, data engineer, data scientist, okay, AI engineer, DevOps engineer, security engineer, Azure fundamental consultant. Okay, guys. When I go for developer, the developer number is AZ104. See, AZ104. Okay,
Yes.
guys.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Next, see, solution architect 304. It is. What is that? 304. Okay, the exam is written this March 31st only. Then they're renaming into AZ305, guys. This is AZ305. Okay, yeah. Next thing is, see, DevOps engineer. Okay, yeah. So this is what DevOps expert. This is AZ400. AZ400. Okay,
Sir, is that
AZ.
just
Quick
an naming
question.
convention or?
Sorry.
One quick question, sir. Like for any of the administration or DevOps uh, developer, whatever we are learning now, like there is any prerequisites, like we need to have any
Developer, we
certifications
have
prior to.
prerequisites. Developer, to go for Azure developer, prior to that, you should have a profession in .NET or Java code. For remaining things, not required. Administration and DevOps, that I will take care. So for administration, it is configuration, monitoring, deployment, managing, right? So that I will take care.
My question is like, do we need to have any prerequisite
Yeah, that is what I am telling.
certification?
Yeah, for certification, no prerequisites. Directly you can go for that.
Okay, thank you. That was the question.
Okay, yeah. What you were asked, right? Another thing. DP203. This is the data engineer. Okay, yeah. The certification course is DP203. Okay, when I go here, see, this is the one, data processing, data security, data outgoing process. This is about. There is a security engineer. Uh, this is AZ500. Okay, AZ500. Here, team measure identity access platform, security operations, data application appliance. Okay, yeah, fine. This is about what? AZ500. 400 DevOps, 500, what is that? Security, cyber security. 203 developer and 203 data engineer. 204 is what? Developer. Okay, 203 developer. DP203 is what? Data engineer. See, developer is what is the number? AG204. Okay, this series 104 admin, 204 developer, next 304 architect. This is the series. Now to 305 is the architect. Okay, DP203 is the what? Data engineer. Next AC 400 is what? DevOps. 500 is cyber security. Okay, these are the certification papers which are available in the market. Okay, yeah. So have a look. I'm going to cover the syllabus of AC 104. Now,
Sir, quick question like, is that the certification mandatory for applying any jobs or?
no value added. Actually, if you have the certificate for what is that, filtering the resumes and all, you may have some preference. That's it. Something is better than nothing, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the 104. Okay, guys. So in 104, totally we have 23 modules are there. Okay, yeah. Next, module 1. Module 1 means understanding the subscription versions, how we can, what are the different types of subscriptions are there in the market. That we will see module 1. Okay, module 2, Azure platform. What is the Azure? How can you implement the Azure? So what is the Azure management advantages portal? That all we will see module 2. Okay, module 3, subscriptions. What are the different types of subscriptions are there Microsoft, and what subscription we should choose? Okay, that we will see module 3. Okay, module 4, how to create the storage account. How to create the storage account. Okay, what is the storage account? Kind of storing the data, raw data. You can store your personal documents or unstructured data or large objects. Large objects means video files. Okay, yeah. Next, module 5, implementing networking. Okay, what is the networking? How to implement the networking? That we will see module 5. Module 6, virtual machines. Actually, how to create virtual machine with the Windows operating system and the same way Linux operating system. Okay, yeah, module 7, virtual machines. So after creating VM, there are multiple tasks. See, this is the VM. I need to add the disk, extended the disk, remove the disk, and troubleshoot the disk. What is the read-write operations? Okay, how can you deploy? That all we will see. Managing virtual machine properties. Next, that we will see module 7. Module 8. Here, I will install. This is the VM, right? Windows machine. If it is Windows machine, I will install IAS. IAS means web server. On top of that, how to deploy one ASP.NET application, that I will show you in module 8. Another thing, I will create one VM with Linux machine. On top of that, how to install Apache server. On top of that, how to deploy application, that we'll see module 8. Okay, yeah. Module 9, app services. Okay, what is the app services? So far, whatever I discussed, that is as infrastructure as a services. Okay, guys. Infrastructure as a service, what did I cover? VMs, storage accounts, networking. Am I right? Yeah. Next. Module 9, PaaS. What is the PaaS, guys? Platform as a service.
Service.
What is the PaaS? Platform as a services.
Service.
Yeah. So what is the PaaS? Platform as a service is fine. What is the PaaS? So the infrastructure runtime bill provided by the vendor. Just you have to take care about your application development and deployment. Am I right?
Yes.
Here, you need not worry about installation, configuration, management, patching activity, upgradation. Got it. Framework, upgrade it, install the extensions. That will be taken care by Microsoft. You have to take care about only application part. That's it. Irrespective of language. Irrespective of language in the sense, you have .NET. They are providing .NET environment. You have Java code. They are providing Java environment. Just deploy it. You have Python. Go and deploy your application in Python. Got it? Yeah. Next, module 10. Planning and implementing storage backup recovery services. Okay. Yeah. Planning and implementing means this is the module 10. Okay. Here, this is what database. This is Azure SQL databases. You know MS SQL Server, right? Microsoft SQL Server. Now we are calling it as what? Azure SQL Server. Okay, what is the Azure SQL Server? How we can configure and how to perform database related operations, that we'll see module 11. Module 12, PaaS. Okay, yeah. So there are different types of PaaS services. So far we discussed application, web application, mobile application, what is that? Web services, APIs, function app, logic app, Azure SQL Server. These all comes under PaaS. Okay, remaining PaaS services, how we can manage and cover it, that I will show you. Module 12. Module 13. Here we can see alerts. Okay, what is the monitoring? How can it trigger an alerts? Okay, how to deploy the alerts in VM? That all we'll see module 13. Okay, module 14, Azure Active Directory, implementing Active Directory. So Active Directory is very powerful. We can integrate Active Directory with what? Office 365. You know, in Office 365, you people are chatting in MS Teams and you are sending out an emails in organization, right? When you type their names, your organization friends' names, automatically they are detecting. These users are coming from where? These users are coming from where? Active Directory. What kind of Active Directory? Azure Active Directory. Okay. Yeah. Next. So managing the rollback, role-based access control. How to do that? And the module 16 is resource groups. What is the resource group? How to deploy the resource group? What is the policies of resource group? That we will see module 16. Module 17, we can manage the permissions in subscription level, resource group level, resource level. There is a hierarchy. Okay, how to manage it. That all we will see module 17. Module 18, traffic manager. Here, traffic manager in the sense, how to distribute the data. I mean, how to manage the traffic between two virtual machines. Okay. Also, we will call it as load balancer. Also, we will call it as what? Application gateway. That all we will see module 18. Okay. Module 19, disaster recovery. Disaster recovery in the sense, if any unexpected events are occurred, how fast you can recover the services, how fast make sure that client applications live. Okay, that we will see module 19. Module 20 is PowerShell. What is that? Module 20 is PowerShell. Okay, what is the PowerShell? How to use it? That all we will see module 20. Okay, module 21, ARM template. ARM template means Azure Resource Manager template. How we can use it now, I will show you. Okay, module 22 is ARM template. So see, ARM templates and Terraform templates, these two are, what is that? Infrastructure as a code. Did you hear about it? As. What is that?
Infrastructure as a service.
Yes, ACK, infrastructure as a code. What all? Terraform, ARM template, PowerShell scripting. These three are comes under what? Infrastructure as a code. Anywhere. Okay, not only in Azure. When you go for AWS, uh, Terraform, PowerShell, they are comes under infrastructure as a code. Okay, module 23 is GitHub. You know GitHub, right? Version control. What is the GitHub?
It's a repository.
Yes, how to manage the source code. Okay, how to uh, do the code commits, how to review the code. That all we will see module 23. Okay, yeah. This is about what? Module AZ 104. Next, there is a what? AZ DevOps 400.
So does on Microsoft contains only as a GitHub repository, or does it contain some other repositories as well?
Earlier we have TFS, Team Foundation Server, right? Hello?
Hello, sir. Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, earlier we have Team Foundation Servers, also we have VSTS, right?
Not sure.
Okay, so they are going to duplicate them. Okay, so main focus now GitHub. Why? Because Microsoft recently purchased the GitHub. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you know, right? Just last year only. Last year in the month of June, okay, they purchased the GitHub. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, now main intention of the Microsoft Azure is they are planning to integrate everything with GitHub. Okay, they are planning to configure everything with GitHub. That's what. See, I am going for here. Okay, portal.azure.com. What did he say?
Sign in with GitHub.
Yeah, signing with GitHub. Okay, so yeah, my GitHub is now Microsoft product. That's what Microsoft really they concentration on storing
GitHub.
everything in GitHub. Okay, out of 100%, 80% of organizations they are using GitHub. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
Shekhar,
Yeah.
GitHub is like a library. Means like I'm not aware of GitHub. So means like is it like a like means I know something basics about languages. Like in C we have some uh, type of libraries like that. It is like that.
Yeah. Correct. Correct. Okay. For example, you are the .NET developer. You developed the code.
Okay.
Where you can store that code? Not in our laptop, not in our personal desktop, right?
Okay.
Somewhere centralizedly you have to store it. If you store it in centralized location, then everyone in your team, everyone in organization, they will connect and verify it, right? So
Okay.
that repository we will call it as what? GitHub.
GitHub.
Yeah. That's why I mentioned that GitHub is the version control where we can maintain the source code. Do you
Okay.
agree now?
Okay.
Yeah. Next. Now another important certification paper is 1G, yeah, AZ 400. Yeah. See guys, first thing is Azure DevOps came into the picture in the year of 2018. Very recently they introduced. 2018 means 19, 20, 21. 3 years is over. That's it. Okay. Just
Yeah.
3 years. See, Azure DevOps has lot of demand in the market. That is power of Azure Microsoft. Okay. Yeah. See, model. Here we will see about basic of what is that DevOps. So the DevOps it comes under SaaS. SaaS in the sense what is the
Software as a
SaaS?
service.
Yeah, software as a service. So the vendor they will maintain single version. Yes or no? Or we can say one version for entire customers in the world. Am I right? DevOps, if you use, I use, someone is, it is same. Nothing will be changed. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. This is the SaaS is centralized one code version. I mean single version. They will provide that for all customers in the world. You have to subscribe for monthly basis. You can also subscribe for what? Yearly
Yeah.
basis. Yes. Okay. So if you use OneDrive is same for you, for me, right? If you
Yes.
use, what is that? MS Teams,
Hmm.
that is comes under software as a service. Are you updating any versions? MS Teams, no, right?
No.
Yeah. They are updating, we are updating. That's it. So management, everything will be taken care by vendor. Now, this is overview of Azure DevOps. Next, module 3, app services. Why? Because as I said, app services, we have mobile app, web app, APIs. So here, your code is there in GitHub.net. How to process, how to build, how to create the build pipeline, how to create the package. The package should be deployed to app services. So what is the app services and all we will see in module 3. Module 4, this is the main DevOps topics. In the DevOps, we have Azure boards, Azure repos, pipeline, artifacts, test plan. Okay, how to use these tools that we'll see in DevOps session. Azure boards means Agile methodology. Nowadays, see people are implementing Agile methodology, right? Every company. For every implementation project, 100% they implementing what? Azure DevOps. Clear, clear.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Yes, yes. Okay, yeah. So, what is the Agile methodology? Software development life cycle. Earlier, we have waterfall method. Am I right?
Yep.
Waterfall. Now, every company they are started using Agile methodology. Okay, so now once Agile methodology came into the picture, the story, what you have to work, they are assigning the, what is that? User story. You have to complete it within 10 days or 15 days. Getting now after Agile methodology came into the picture, what we have to work, that is very much clear, guys. That's why Agile methodology succeeded software development lifecycle in the market. Almost 100%. I'm not telling 99. 100% companies they started implementing Agile methodology. Every project. I hope whoever is real time they attended, they might have know about it. Real time employees.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Next. This is what CI/CD pipeline. CI means how to build your solution. That is what CI, continuous integration. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. CD means continuous deployment. How we can maintain the SCM, source code management, under directory under. Next, GitHub. Okay. What is the GitHub? How to integrate our Azure repos with GitHub, and how to integrate GitHub with DevOps, Azure DevOps, that we will see module 7. Okay, module 8, continuous integration. Continuous integration means how we can change the build properties, how can you change the version, okay, how to create the task in order to build our code automatically, that we'll see module 8. Okay, module 9, continuous deployment. Continuously deployment. Continuously deployment means you changed something in our code that has to build, that has to deploy, right? When you change the code, automatically it will deploy. If you do some modification in our code, it should build and deploy it. So entire this pipeline, how to configure it, how to automate it, that we'll see module. What is that? 9. Okay, yeah. Module 10 is what? Release management. Okay, so before you deploying the application into production environment, how to release the code, that we'll see module 10. Okay, so
Also,
here
one
we,
quick question.
yeah,
The one you just said, like continuous deployment, can you show any real-time example when you're showing the module?
yeah, I will show you. When you're copying thing, I will show you my real-time project code, how to do that, I will show.
So one more
Thank you.
question, like if there is a continuous deployment, won't it affect the application? Like if the user is using it, it will affect,
Downtime,
right,
right?
sir?
You mean to say.
Sir?
You mean to say downtime?
Yeah.
No, no downtime is required. Automatically live it is updated. How the architecture would be is, you know Amazon.com, right?
Yes, sir.
Amazon, Flipkart.
Yep.
Yeah. Assume that today midnight 12 o'clock there is a big sale. When you
Mm-hmm.
go and refresh Amazon site, do you see any downtime?
No.
No. Same architecture. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shekhar,
Yes.
you told in the CI/CD pipeline you are means modifying the codes. So means like does this require means the knowledge of the programming?
Modifying the codes that will be taken care by developers, right?
Okay, okay,
Yeah. Actually, developer is there. What they will do? We'll do code changes where they will
Yeah.
commit these changes. Centralized repository called GitHub.
GitHub.
From there, you have to pull the code, build the code, package it, release the code, deploy into the production environment. This all you have to do automation, right?
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Got
Yeah. Next. Now, this is Agile methodology. So, how to create Agile work sprint, public and private project, that we'll see module 11. Module 12 is I will introduce about AKS. If possible, I will show you how to deploy AKS. Yeah, clear.
Sir, what is AKS?
This is Kubernetes services like creating the cluster, very advanced of managing your infrastructure is called AKS.
Okay.
Okay.
And sir, I have heard something like Dockers. What is that?
Yeah, they are microservices. Yesterday also I showed you. These are microservices, guys. Microservices. Docker, okay, container, okay, containerized services, okay, containerized services, okay, Kubernetes services, okay, these are microservices, guys. We have again separate course for that. Azure microservices, you might have seen that.
Okay, that means we will be covering only Kubernetes in
Yeah,
this
yeah, I
course.
will check Kubernetes. Yeah, recently we started implementing project. So I will show you overview how to do that.
Yeah. Okay, sir. That,
Yeah. So this is all about what? Module 12. This is about AC 104 and AC. Okay. Yeah,
yeah.
next. Now, another thing is how to subscribe for Azure free trial. Okay, have a look. What is that? Azure subscribe for Azure free trial. Now, how to do that? First thing is to subscribe for Azure portal, we have to follow 4 steps. Okay, first step, pass your information. Information means your first name, last name, okay, address details, email address. What is that? Email address. Next, second step, you have to pass mobile number. When you pass the mobile number, you will get 6-digit OTP for your mobile number that has to be entered. Okay, what is that? Mobile number. Next, third step, enter the credit card details. Okay, the card details has to be entered. The credit card details has to be entered. Okay, so when you enter the credit card details, they will deduct 2 rupees amount. What is that? 2 rupees. Okay, that amount will be credited back within 1 hour. So why they are deducting 2 rupees for this is for Indian people. Okay, why they are deducting 2 rupees for Indian? Why means just they are verifying whether you are genuine user or not. What is that?
Okay.
Just they are verifying they are genuine user or not. Okay, next fourth thing is agree terms and conditions. When you agree terms and conditions, that's it. Okay, you people can happily what? Uh, uh, access the Azure portal and consume it. Once you subscribe for Azure free trial, totally you will get 14,500 free credits. We will call them as free credits. These free credits can be consumed within 30. This free credit you can consume it for 30 days. Okay, whether you use it or not, your all free credits will be expired for 30 days. Here I am telling Indian people. For USA people, they will deduct $1. That $1 will be credited back to their account within 1 hour. 1 hour max I am giving. Here for USA people, this is for India. Okay, for USA people, they will get $200 free credits. Okay, what is that we can say? Free credits. Okay, yeah, next. That is also they can consume it for 30 days. This is for USA. They will direct $1. That amount will be credited back to their account within 1 hour. Okay, yeah. So how to subscribe for Azure Free Trial? Have a look. First, navigate to.
And after 1 month,
In that four steps, right? Which is the unique one? I mean, like if let's suppose if one
Everything is
person.
unique. Everything is unique, guys.
So if you want a separate one, then you need to have new credit card, new mobile number, and new email address.
Email address. Wonderful. Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Good question, actually. Yeah. So if you use one credit card, okay, for one time, if you want to use same credit card, can we use? No, we have to change credit card.
but how many credit card we can use?
N number of, if we have now n number of credit cards, n number of mobile number, use it, create. Okay.
But for example,
If we have
Can
for
5
example,
credit cards are there,
can we use debit card also, Shekhar?
debit card they are not accepting, guys. Debit cards max they are accepting for ICICI and the Citibank, Kotak Mahindra. Okay.
Only
Earlier,
employees carry credit card right now, sir.
yeah, 100% credit cards are accepting. Okay,
Only
so yeah,
only
what is
employees are carrying credit card only, sir.
yes, only credit card. So try it out. If anyone has these debit cards, Citi, ICICI, Kotak Mahindra, you may get it. But SBI, HDFC, they are not accepting this. Try it out. Try it out. No, debit cards. If success, fine, good. But as of now, they are accepting debit cards are only these three. That is what I want to mention in my step.
Your same is for Australia, like $1 will be deducted and $200 free credit.
That is in portal. It is, they are not going to play it in your bank account, guys. I will show you now. Okay. Yeah. So to subscribe for Azure free trial, just go to azure.microsoft.
Shaker, one question.
Yeah.
What will happen post this 30 days, right? So if you want to continue with the same subscription, do we need to pay?
Actually, I said right every day 1.5 hour.
Okay.
Okay, I will cover for 30 days. Yeah, forget about me, guys. At any, I will get many. What is that? The subscriptions and all. I can continue to the session. Maybe there is no interruption for the sessions.
So are you guys going to provide any flat subscriptions for each one of us?
Sorry.
No. Are you providing the subscription to practice on the portal?
No, you people are have to subscribe it for free trial.
Okay, because we already subscribed and it's been already 30 days. That's what.
No, okay. You people have to subscribe for Azure free trial and practice it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Clear. If you observe, see, what is the Azure? Okay. So what is the Azure invent with purpose? Okay. In 2022, great things expanded for developer tools. They introduced new developer tools and all. So you will get $200 free credits. Okay. Yeah. You can start with free account. Okay. For 30 days. Then we can go for other things. Now, start try free. Okay, see here it is showing. Start with $200, 30 days. This is for India, US people. Can you go and type in here? Okay, yeah. So this is what free trial. Now click on start free. Okay, here enter the details, guys. Okay, if you don't have the email account, you can here use Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, anything can be used. Now I am creating new account. That is up to you. So AV March 2022 at the rate of outlook.com. Just I am creating new email account. Okay, yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick octopus. There is that octopus, this one, right? Yeah. So account has been created, right? Did you observe? It is asking your profile means first name, middle name, last name, email address, mobile number. I am passing mobile number. Text me. You will get 6-digit OTP.
Sir, screen is very small.
Yeah. 342606. Okay, verify the code. Okay, so here I can mention Nellore district. Okay, state is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, give some postal code like 524134. Okay, agree terms and conditions. No mandatory, right? Now next. Yeah, organization I am giving NIT. What else? Next. So yeah, Avigna. Give some name, address. Yes. See, I given this is the address. Give some address. Okay, that also will be unique. Agree terms and conditions. Click on next. See, it is navigating. Did you observe? It is showing 13,300. Use it for 30 days. Okay, guys. So now they have increased it. This is the wrong information. You will get what? 14,500. The credits is changed. Okay. There is a one notification. Have a look. What is that? See, after your credit is over, we will ask you if you want to continue pay as you go model. If you do, then only it will move, or else automatically it will get deactivated. See, here it is asking what? Your credit card details. Okay, if you have credit card details, happily you can enter and use it. Okay, I have credit card details. I am entering. Let's see. 43755129 12978015. This is card number. This is
pay as you go, how much we have to pay per month?
Yeah, that is hourly basis, guys. If you use a virtual machine for 1 hour, they will charge like 15 rupees to 20 rupees. Okay.
For 1 hour.
Yeah. Depends on hours. How many hours you are going to use each services. For example, there is a VM. VM you have used for 12 hours. 12 into 10 rupees per day, they will charge 120 rupees. You created a SQL server. A SQL server maybe per day they will charge 50 rupees. Disaster recovery, they may charge for 150 rupees per day. That all depends on charges which you are going to use the services.
I have one question.
Yeah.
can we automate things like in one click? I When we are doing the practice, we can set up things using IAC, whatever we need for the lab, and we can destroy it right after doing all the labs using IAC, using our ARM template, so that we
Yes,
get.
we can automate it. Yes.
Okay, so it is not Azure will not charge for any other service like the IP addresses and all.
IP address they will charge. If you go for pay as you go model, every service would be cost.
Okay, so we can actually destroy everything and to avoid any kind of charge.
No. After once you deploy the services, that's it. Charges are billing will start. Whether you
Okay,
delete it within a 10 minutes or 1 hour, they will charge for 1 hour.
okay. 1 hour is the minimum billing
Yeah, yeah.
time.
But checker for means like if we have used it for our practicals, then we will delete. Then for that time it is used means like they will deduct, and means elsewhere it will be like where our credit will be go on decreasing if we will not able to delete that.
Yeah. You mean to say talking about free credits?
Yes, like that.
Free credits 14,500 more than enough, guys. We can practice each and everything. No issues. That is sufficient.
But we need to delete that labs after each practice.
Yeah,
That's it.
after practicing it, you can stop the services or else delete it. See, provisioning the infrastructure in Azure, just it will take a minute. That's it.
Okay.
Only minute.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now,
So
see,
have you like I wanted to know, after these credits are exhausted, I want to use it for labbing purpose. Okay, do you have any idea how much will be the billing if I do like with all the if I use it carefully and avoid excess usage? So what will be the approximate billing?
approximately billing per month, it will go 5,000, guys.
Okay.
If you use
5,000
carefully. Yeah. If you use carefully, yes.
5,000 Indian rupees.
Yes, correct. By chance, if you create the service, if you forget it, okay.
Mm-hmm. It's a disaster.
Yeah, we, we have to sell our all assets.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sometimes our systems gets hacked because they are not uh, secured properly. So in that case also we are charged access, uh, like a lot of amount is charged.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. Now click on sign up. Okay, see what it is saying. Amount 2 rupees. Got it. Microsoft Bus. It is using mobile number. It is asking to enter the OTP. So already I used this credit card. Okay, so I will get error message. 770704. When I submit it, see, you will get an error. What is that? Check your bank. Bank could not authorize this payment. Try again. Yeah. So it's already, what is that? Used it. That's why it is getting an error. Okay. Yeah. You people try it out. After creating this account now, then officially you can go for portal.azure.com. This is the global URL. No one can change. No one can customize it. Okay, after creating free subscription, just go on access the portal. What is that? Portal.azure.com. You just enter it. See here, enter the credentials. This is the Chandrasekhar is the credentials. Enter the password. Click on it. Yeah, this is the portal. Okay, if I go and see, there is a notifications, right? Still it is not prompting. Yeah, see. What it is saying? Remaining credits are 7,800. Means already 7,500 are consumed it. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, when I click on it, it will show you how many days are left. See, this is the what? Subscription and account role. Offer is what? Free trial it is. Free trial. So it is loading current billing period. Billing period in the sense it is free trial. Free trial would be 30 days. I created this account 15 days back. Remaining 15 days, it should display. When it is going to be expired, that date also it should display. Yeah, see, did you observe?
Yeah.
This month 14th, my last day to use this free trial. After 14th, I cannot use anymore this account. Okay, here it is showing your free credits will be expired in 10 days. Okay, guys. After free trial is completed, you people can upgrade it, guys. For example, go for subscription. There is a add your subscription. Okay, just add the subscriptions. Here you can go for pay as you go model. Here we have pay as you go model. I don't want to make confuse you. So these are all we will discuss it in next session. In tomorrow's session, I will go through this portal. We will discuss about each and every feature. For example, what is the cloud shell? What is the notification settings, account settings? What is this blade? What are the services they are providing? That all I will give you in detail in tomorrow's session. Okay. Yeah. So
Okay.
practice it before coming to the session tomorrow. Please subscribe for Azure Feature. If you have any questions, feel free and ask me. I will first clear your questions, then we will proceed with what is that topic. Okay. Yeah. Thank you,
Can
everyone.
I get this syllabus? What you were showing? I wanted to check it.
Yeah, I will share it by email. I will inform to Naresh people.
Okay.
Okay. So they will share with you. Okay, along with that email. Yesterday recording you got it right? Seems.
Yeah, we
Yes,
got
we got.
it.
No, I did not receive your paper.
No, whoever is registered with the current
No,
email
sir.
ID, they will get it.
No, sir. I didn't get any.
Okay, whoever is not receiving that recording file, no, just to check with Naresh people, they will share with you instantly.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
these videos will be, I get the video. These videos will be storage in the lifetime period or something.
Yeah,
It will be
they will store all these videos in Google Classroom, guys. They will be
okay.
available for 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And second thing, sir, the if I create the Google, if I create the Microsoft Azure account as a free trial, I have to utilize the total 14,000 credits in 30 days. If I don't utilize it, it will be close. It will be finished, I guess.
Yes, yes, correct, correct. Yes.
If I want to practice more, and I have to create one new account.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
You have to create another new account by
Okay.
changing mobile number, email address, and credit card details.
So, but some tools are not available in the free trial. Is
Each and every tool is available for free credits.
okay.
Yeah. But there is some limitation. That's it.
Take one question.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, question is like if you don't use for 1 month, even though we subscribed and we did not use, but what will happen? Do we need to deactivate
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
account or
That's what I am saying, right? Whether you use it or not, that will get expired within 30 days.
Expired.
no, that will get expired, but they won't be charging, right? Until unless we choose the pay as you go option.
Yeah. Correct. They won't be charges.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for your time. Have a
So,
wonderful day. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Yeah.
so I have one final question. So,
Yeah.
you don't mind?
Yeah.
Well, actually, in the previous, I consulted some other consultancy. They would ask, they will provide us a very huge time, like 45 days and nearly 63 months course. The what you this one Azure DevOps and Azure administration,
Okay.
but you are providing within short term, like 30 days. Are you covering the whole syllabus? I'm bit
Yes,
of
yes. I will
confused.
cover. Yeah, that's what. Actually, they are telling that every day 1 hour might be, but 45 days I am taking 1.5 hour session. Each and everything I will cover that.
That's why I'm
Whatever, yeah,
confusing.
whatever the syllabus I shown you, I presented, right? Okay,
Sorry.
whatever the syllabus I presented and shown you, right? Just to
Hello.
tick mark it. Whatever I covered today, just to tick mark it. Whatever the things are not covered, you people can ask me directly.
Okay.
Yeah.
After completion of the course, also, can I
Yes,
ask you
yes, yes, yes.
through WhatsApp, sir? Something. Yes.
Anything, yeah, I will, yeah, through WhatsApp or anything, I will share the number. You can
Okay.
ask.
Sir,
Is there
course
any other
curriculum will
time?
be provided, sir.
Yeah,
Course
I
curriculum
will,
will be
yes,
provided, sir.
yes, you will receive by email today itself. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Is there any other timing you doing the same course?
No, as of now, 6 a.m. That's it.
Okay, because it's look everything seems in hurry in the morning.
Yeah. See, guys,
Sir, can you
now,
change it?
yeah,
Sir,
now
can you
market
change the
is
timing,
good.
sir?
Okay, another suggestion is now market is good. You cannot predict it after 6 months. How is the market? So this is the right time to enter into the IT industry. Whoever having no job and whoever would like to change the company. And all. So if they
Yes,
teach,
IT industry is booming at this moment.
yeah, actually, if they teach 6 months course, 5 months course, after 5 months, you may not have the demand for the technology. What is the use of learning of the course? Okay, they are fake statements. If they tell 3 months course, what is there to learn? After 3 months, after putting the resume in the Naukri, okay, to what is that? We can say to carefully observe and all, it will take another 3 months. 6 months, there may not be demand for the course. Again, you have to learn another course. Okay, now market movement is very, 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 very fast. Every day we are getting new technology. Clear? Yeah, that is my final statement. Okay, so by coming to session tomorrow, please subscribe for Azure Feedback and come back. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to show you how to deploy the services in Azure. Okay.
Okay, second one last question. Uh, so far, I have not decided to like yes or no about this class. Okay, if I decided, so when can I consider the like beginning of the classes?
Yeah, this will be continuous sessions, guys. There is no what is that uh, stoppage in these sessions. It will be
Hmm.
continue
Till you
tomorrow,
will be
Monday,
finalizing a
Tuesday.
date to start the classes.
Yeah, from Monday. Yeah, it will be continue. Yes.
Okay.
Is yeah tomorrow also demo. From Monday it
Hmm.
will be continue the sessions.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Shekhar, please share your number.
Not now. After they will create the WhatsApp group, right? You people can chat over there.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a good day.